welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time on my channel, I am Jelena. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids and I make mostly cleaning and organizing videos, a lot of DIY videos and some lifestyle videos. If any of that sounds good to you, please stick around and click that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today's video is going to be a collaboration with my friend that I met over here on YouTube recently, and I am very happy about it. That is part of the reason why I love YouTube. I meet wonderful people that I otherwise would not have a chance to meet. Her name is Veronica. Her channel is named Saving with Mrs. V. On her channel you can see a lot of DIYs as well, and a lot of budgeting videos. So she does hauls, she shows you what things go on sale at certain times. She shows you some ways to save money. As her channel says, Saving with Mrs. V. So if you like budgeting, you will definitely love her channel. So after watching my video, please go ahead and check out her channel. Tell her you're coming from my channel and just say hi to her, say a few things about yourself, and subscribe to her channel. So we decided we are going to be organizing our pantries. Veronica and I have different type of pantries. She has a walking and I have step-in pantry. My pantry is actually part of my kitchen. It's in a corner of my kitchen, and we just wanted to show you how we clean it out, organize what we use, and just maybe give you motivation and some ideas as well. So this video is not going to be your typical set up the camera and let it roll while I clean out my pantry. I actually decided I'm gonna walk you through what I did, show you bits and pieces of how I did it, and I'm gonna show you what I used and the finished look. So please stick around, continue watching, and enjoy. This is how my pantry looked like. It wasn't too bad, I think. I mean, everything kind of had its place, but it was overflowing and it was just too many things we don't need. So for my pantry, I wanted to not only declutter, I wanted to organize it and make it look nice. Now, I didn't want to go out and spend a lot of money. Again, as you know me, as you're part of my channel already, you know that I like saving, I like budgeting as well, and I don't like spend too much money if it's not needed. So since I already had all these green bins in my pantry, even though I'm not super happy with the color, I went to Dollar Tree. They did not have the same style of bins in a white color, so I just decided to keep it and work around it for now. Also, since I knew for a while I wanted to organize my pantry, I was collecting all kinds of jars and all kinds of bins and things that I thought I might use in my pantry. So I found some on a yard sale, I found some on thrift stores, I found some in some discounted stores. So I'm going to show you everything that I have and how much I paid for. So I got these 2 jars at Dollar General. They were on a sale for $1.50 a piece. These 2 I got on a yard sale for $1 both, and all these I got $1 a piece. And then this spice rack I got at the thrift store for $2. I also bought these containers that I'm going to use for something. I'm not sure if this pantry or somewhere else, but I got it at bargain hunt for $6. And I got these 2 wicker baskets for $1 a piece at a yard sale. So since I had only around hour and a half or 2 hours to finish this whole project, since my daughter was asleep, I decided not to take the whole pantry out. I decided to do section by section, just in case if something happened and I cannot finish it. I didn't want everything to be out in my kitchen and on the way. So I started from the bottom. I cleaned out or took out first a few shelves and then started my way up. I decided to use this spice rack for canned goods, and I think it works great. I was just trying to figure out some kind of order over here and separate it by category. So the next thing was taking the things out of the packaging. So pasta and sugar, beans, anything that I have in the packages, I decided to take it out and pour it into the containers that I already have. Now, since I didn't purchase a lot of these clear containers or jars, I decided to use them only for things that I use all the time, that we use all the time, and everything extra and things that we don't use as often, I left in the bins. So in the bins, I separated things by categories and I put them on the shelves, mostly on the side of the shelves, so they're not on the way of the things that we use all the time. Another thing I wanted to do this time is to lower kids' snacks on the lower shelf, so they don't have to climb up on the step stool, God forbid they fall down. So I wanted them to be able to reach their snacks at all times. Now, to label these clear bins and jars, I decided to make my own labels. I actually purchased this one sheet of labels at Target Dollar Spot for only $1, and while they look very, very cute, I could use only one label from there, and that was sugar, because all the other ones are not the ones that I actually packaged separately. So I had to make my own. Now, I've seen this method on YouTube. Other YouTubers did it and I absolutely loved it, and I thought I'm gonna try it. And guys, I have to tell you, this is a must. It's such a easy, inexpensive way to make your own labels that can look any way you want them to look, and it's just perfect. So let me walk you through it and show you how I did it. This is a sugar label I told you about. It is super cute. So I went ahead in Canva and tried to find a similar font, and I print out some labels. I went ahead and cut around it, used the packaging tape to put it around the label. Then I put it in a cold water for a minute, and I was able to peel off the paper very easily. You leave it to dry, and after it's dry, you have your own label. So simple and so cute. And now I'm going to show you how my pantry looks like now. Is it Pinterest perfect? No, it's not. Is it organized, clean, neat, and I know where everything is? Yes, it is. Do I like it? Absolutely. So I really hope you guys will like it too. I hope you will take some ideas from this video. And if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up, and just tell me what was your favorite part, and maybe what would you do differently so I can change it up next time. And this is the final result. I'm very happy how it looks now. Everything has its own place. Everything is very accessible, easy visible. I can just go ahead and take a look, and I know if I have something or I have to go ahead and purchase something. It's not crowded, and I really like. I think it's very eye appealing. So if you're coming from Miss V's channel, welcome. I am very excited you guys are here. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. I hope you like my other videos as well. And thank you for taking your time to be here. I really hope you will click that subscribe button, just become my YouTube family and spend time with me. I would like for you to tell me a few words about yourself in the comments down below, so I can get to know you better. That is it for today's video. I want to thank you again for being here, and don't forget to check out Veronica's channel, and I'm gonna have it linked in the description box down below. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!